Are you ready to spend more on the new iPhone 17 this September? With Apple's big event set for September 9th, rumors are hinting at a possible price increase across the lineup. So, what could it really cost you to upgrade this year? Leaks and whispers have been circulating for months, giving us a rough idea of what Apple is planning. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are expected to be the highlights, introducing a big redesign, new cameras, and other internal upgrades. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 17 might finally get some features users have been asking for, like a higher refresh rate. On top of that, Apple is replacing the Plus model with the new iPhone 17 Air. But let's get straight to the part everyone's curious about: the price. Rumors suggest that Apple could add about $50 to the cost of some or all of the new iPhone 17 models. The exact details aren't clear, and as always, this is just speculation until Apple makes it official. Still, a $50 bump would make sense given recent tariffs affecting production costs, especially in India, where many iPhones for the US market are assembled. Interestingly, other companies haven't increased prices this year. Google's Pixel 10 series launched at the same prices as the Pixel 9, and Samsung's Galaxy S5 series stayed steady compared to last year's Galaxy S4. Both companies faced tariffs and import fees, yet kept prices the same. Apple might choose to do the same, but there's also a chance the $50 increase could happen, at least for the Pro and Air models. There's one more twist. The iPhone 17 Pro could start at 256 gigabytes of storage instead of 128 gigabytes. If true, this would mean the Pro model could actually cost less than the equivalent iPhone 16 Pro in terms of storage to price ratio. For example, the 256 gigabyte iPhone 16 Pro costs $1,099 with the $50 hike. The 256 gigabyte iPhone 17 Pro would land around $1,049, a slight saving for more storage. Now, what about the upgrades that might justify that price? The iPhone 17 base model is rumored to feature a larger 6.3-inch display, up from 6.1 inches, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Apple is also said to be improving charging speeds with a new MagSafe charger capable of 45 watts, doubling the previous 25-watt support. On the front, the selfie camera could jump from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels, while RAM might increase to 12 gigabytes to handle on-device AI more efficiently. The Pro and Pro Max models could see more exciting upgrades: a 48 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x zoom, 8K video recording, a redesigned camera island, and even a slightly bigger battery on the Pro Max are all rumored. There's talk of an anti-reflective display option and an aluminum frame instead of titanium. The iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be the slimmest iPhone yet, rumored to be around 5.44 or 5.5 millimeters thick. It could also feature 12 gigabytes of RAM, a titanium frame, a single 48 megapixel rear camera, and a smaller 2,800 mAh battery to keep that ultra-thin profile. At the end of the day, whether the $50 price increase is worth it depends on which model you're eyeing and how much you value these upgrades. The new iPhone 17 series looks promising, but only time will tell if the features match the price. If you want to stay updated on iPhone 17 leaks, official announcements, and everything you need to know about upgrading, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll be ready when Apple finally reveals the new lineup on September 9th.